کمیٹی بھیج دوں؟ میڈم آپ ہو گیا جی. It has been moved. تشریف رکھیں جی. It has been moved that the bill further to amend the Pakistan Penal Code 1860 and the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898, the Criminal Laws Amendment Bill 2023 has passed by the National Assembly be taken into consideration at once. Those who are in favor of the motion may say aye. Those against the motion may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the motion is adopted. Second reading of the bill, clauses 2 and 3. The question is that clauses 2 and 3 do form part of the bill. Those who are in favor of it may say aye. Those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clauses 2 and 3 stand part of the bill. Clause 1, the preamble and the title of the bill. The question is that clause 1, the preamble and the title do stand part of the bill. Those who are in favor of it may say aye. Those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have clause 1, the preamble and the title stand part of the bill. Order number 83, Honorable Senator Hafiz Abdul Karim, please move order number 83.
میں سینیٹر حافظ عبد الکریم سینیٹر مشتاق احمد تحریک پیش کریں گے کہ مجموعہ تعزیرات پاکستان 1860 اور مجموعہ ضابطہ فوجداری 1898 میں مزید ترمیم کا بل فوجداری قوانین ترمیمی بل 2023 منظور کیا جائے.
It has been moved that the bill further to amend the Pakistan Penal Code 1860 and the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898, the Criminal Laws Amendment Bill 2023 be passed. Those who are in favor of the motion may say aye. Those against the motion may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted and the bill stands passed. میرے دائیں جانب مولانا عبد الاکبر چترالی صاحب تشریف رکھتے ہیں. میں ان کو ہاؤس میں خوش آمدید کہتا ہوں. جی ویلکم ٹو دا ہاؤس. جی غفور حیدری صاحب کھڑے ہیں.
کہ تحفظ ناموس صحابہ و اہلیبت بل تقریباً متفقہ طور پر منظور ہوا اور یہ ہاؤس کا ہمیشہ اعزاز رہا ہے